So let's put this in vertex form. Now, I've chosen one that doesn't work completely neatly, and that's certainly something that can happen. This is something you should be aware of. I mean, I think a lot of people at high school are conditioned to think that if they don't get incredibly neat numbers in all of their answers, they've made a mistake. If everything's not an integer, there's a mistake being made. That's not true, obviously, in general. If you're doing mathematics in the real world, nothing is going to fit these nice patterns. So I've kind of chosen one where it's a bit of a mess. First of all, what do? Well, we want to take out that factor of 3. So 3x squared plus 6x minus 7 is equal to, so let's pull out a 3 using the distributive property. So this is x squared plus, what have we got? So it's going to be 2x, now it's minus 7 divided by 3. Not the nicest number ever there. Now to put it in vertex form, what am I going to have to do? I'm going to have to take this piece and express it in the form x plus d squared plus k. Okay, and remember what this is equal to. This is equal to x squared plus 2dx plus d squared plus k. So to find an appropriate d and k, we should start with the linear piece and then move to the constant piece. We can't just jump to the k because we don't know what d is, right? It involves 2 pieces of information. So let's do this. My 2d is equal to 2. That's nice, isn't it? That means d is equal to 1. That implies d squared plus k is equal to 1 squared plus k. Fantastic, that's just 1 plus k. So what do we need? We need to have 1 plus k. This piece is equal to this piece. So this has to be equal to minus 7 over 3. So this implies k has to be equal to what? Minus 7 over 3 minus 1. If I make the denominators the same, 3, this will give me minus 10 divided by 3. So let's put all this together. This now tells me the function I'm interested in is equal to 3 times x plus 1 all squared minus 10 over 3. And finally, to put it in proper vertex form, all I've got to do is distribute this again. So this is now finally 3 times x plus 1 squared minus 10. So it actually turns out to be quite nice. So we've completed the square. We have put it in my vertex form, if you want.